Hey guys, Swisher Family Farm here. We are putting up our pergolas from our beds to our other beds, and that way we can grow our cucumbers and our beans up them, and then we can pick inside and outside.
Yep.
We're going to get those done today, so it'll be a pretty quick video. It won't be long. Just kind of get you guys an idea of what we're doing. We do have a truck coming this week that's going to fill all our beds in. You guys will get to see that. That's a pretty cool truck, so I can't wait. Paid a little bit extra for it, but it's going to make the job a lot easier.
Yeah.
Then we're going to start planting, and boy, do we got a lot in the greenhouse to plant. Everything is just about ready to go bonkers.
Yep.
This weather, as you all know, has been as crazy can get. Hot, cold, cold, hot, cold, whatever. It's just been nuts. So the plants don't know what to do. Thank God for the greenhouse. We would have probably lost all our plants already with that last freeze we had come through.
Yeah.
So at that point, guys, we're going to get to it. We're going to get these put together and let you guys watch it.
Yep.
I'm cutting that side off, like the other one.
Throw this down in your fire.
Yeah.
Yep. Got a green screw.
No, I don't. There weren't any more green ones. I don't think. Let me look.
Surely. Short. That doesn't go.
The other one will work though too. And we need the battery off the cells off.
So that's going to be for the other side, though. Okay.
Look,
Yeah.
same size.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. So, what can I do?
Hold the board.
Hold the board. Let it go around.
You all right?
Be careful.
Oh, I knew that was going to happen. Thanks.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Bring it up, yeah. It's going to kill Dad's leg. Right there. I got it. Grab the screw. Grab the screw.
Woo.
That's something I'm worried about. That's what I'm worried about, Dad. Watch out. Because if that thing gives out, it's going to smack you right in the face. That'll be fine. You won't hurt anything. That's what I worry about. Good boy. Alright, so I'm thinking try to drop that one down as far as we can. Here. Yeah. This will be fine. I'm just going to set it Okay.
We need to cut that one.
We're going to probably, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thinking, yeah, but watch your head. Don't hit me that battery that's over there.
And then you want to cut this.
Yeah. Battery off. Take that. Put that on that drill bit before we get this in. You should have one more screw over there.
I think it, yeah. No, no, no. See, like, yeah, right there. Why is it?
Got a notch at the bottom. Right there.
You need the saw back?
Yeah. I got this. Hold this up here. Okay. Oh well. It'll still hold.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep, you ready? As soon as you get hold.
It's gonna. James, can you hold that side, please?
Yes.
We're gonna have to lift it up right on top of there and pull it in. All right.
We're going to have to do four then.
Yep, I got it. Right there, Dad. Okay, we're good.
Okay. You guys got it from here.
There you think.
Love it.
I wish you wouldn't have cut that one like that one.
She's filming this one. You didn't hear that?
Okay, so I wanted to give you kind of a close-up of what we did. So these are 16-foot cattle panels.
16-foot cattle panels, 4-foot wide.
Yep. So you can see over here, we had to trim just the corner so it would fit around the post. But then we fastened it to the bed with the 2x4, so there's screws going this way and screws coming back, so that it'll stay secure and it'll keep the cattle panel. And you can see, it goes way up there. So it's probably 6.5, maybe 7 foot tall.
Yeah.
Easily. And then we attached it to this bed over here. And so did the same thing. And we have 2 of these.
One's for cucumbers and pickling cucumbers, and the other one is for beans.
Yep, beans and peas. So, and then next year, we'll put something else there that vines.
Yeah.
And because we have some other cattle panels over there that we'll be putting up as a trellis in a different format, and you'll see that on another video.
Do it again. There you go.
So that'll be plenty of room. Yeah, if there's a cucumber is way up there, he's gonna have to cut it for me.
Yep, she's gonna put me to work again, just when I think I get out of it. Woo! So you saw that. Dad was helping us out there. Good thing it took 3 people to get those things on there.
Yeah, we couldn't have done it just the 2 of us.
We had to make some adjustments for the beds and cut some stuff out. They turned out perfectly. We love them. They'll work.
Yep. Exactly what I wanted.
6'3". I can actually walk underneath them.
Yep.
I have a funny feeling that Amy's going to say, "Can you pick those? Because I can't reach them." Watch. Guaranteed it'll be on a video. She'll be asking me because they're too high now.
I need you to pick the cucumber because I can't reach it.
Yep. So you guys got to see that done. Just wait. We're going to have the video with the dirt coming in here. You got to check this truck out. This truck is awesome. On top of it, we've had some other things happen. That's coming up in a video too. So at that point, guys, God bless you. Don't forget, hit that subscribe, the like button, the thumbs up. Tell your friends about us. And let's get up there to that 2,000 point. We're working on it. It's been hard, but we're working on it.
Yeah.
And then hopefully we can really get stuff into motion and rolling. But at that point, guys, we'll see you later. God bless.
Have a good day.
Till next time. Bye.